Yeah. So good morning, everyone. Before I introduce myself and before I discuss everything here on my PowerPoint, I would like to say sorry for the poor quality of my editing skills. I currently struggling now on how to record my output in my laptop using the video record. I only see a video, but there is no audio. So, so I made a backup plan, and I think this way, the record this way, um, for me is the easiest way. I think. So now, I would like to introduce myself. Um, Good morning, leaders. Good morning, Sir Frederick Lopez. I am Pinky Basisto Dorwello, your student, and TLED 106 are the Information and Communication Technologies 106. I am a TLED HE2 SS1 student. So now, oh, sorry for that. Um, so Now, I would like to discuss the parts of the computer and their function. Before that, I didn't include everything that you needed on the parts of the computer. Next is next is I would like to ask questions. What is the parts, or what are those parts of the computer and their functions? As you can see in the monitor, we have here the all important parts of the computer. We have here the TV monitor, or the screen monitor. We have here also the speaker, the mic, keyboard, mouse, the computer case, or yeah, the computer case, the RAM, the VGA card, the sound card, DVD drive, CPU fan, the main board or the motherboard, the eternal or all-in-one reader, and the power supply unit. Next slide. Oh, sorry. Next slide. This all the set or the clean set of the computer. First on the list is the keyboard. What is the keyboard? Keyboard is for putting information including letters, words, numbers, pictures in your laptop or in your computer. You can easily press the individual button, just like on the monitor, and just like here on my laptop, I have here a keyboard. So this is all the keyboard, and this is his touchpad, and there is the space bar. All you can see is part of the keyboard. Next slide. Next slide. Next slide is the mouse. So what is the function of the mouse? The mouse is are used to move the cursor on the screen, select the object, and click on buttons. The function of the mouse is used to direct the cursors and or make an selections. Just like here, as you can see, in the screen or in the monitor, we have here in the laptop, we have here a mouse rather. So I have here also a mouse. This is the mouse of the computer or laptop. Next is the TV monitor or the monitor. A computer monitor is an output device that displays information in pictorial or textual platform. A discrete monitor comprises a visual or support electronics. As you can see on the video, we have here the monitor in my laptop. In my laptop, we have here the monitor. So this piece or what we can say this or this area of the laptop is the monitor or the screen. So next is the case of the computer system. So this is what looks like in the inside. This is the front side of the computer system and the back side of the computer system. So next is the motherboard. So what is the function of the motherboard? Motherboard is the thin printed chip circuit board, or they also call the PCB, in general purpose of the computer and the other expandable system. It's other. Let me edit this one. Sorry. Oh no. Yeah, it's other, not of her. Let me edit that once later. That's it. Just I would like to give some what we call this, a small trivia. The motherboard of the elevator and the motherboard of the computer is the same. Just like the computer, hindi gagana yung computer kung walang motherboard. And also in the elevator, hindi gagana yung elevator kung walang motherboard. So this is motherboard looks like. It's a thin printed circuit board or the PCB. Next on the list is the central processing unit or the CPU. CPU is a primary component of a computer that acts as its control center. Also, CPU is referred to as the central or main processor as a complex set of electronic circuitry. So, this is what looks like of the CPU, and ganito siya kalaki pag hinawakan siya using your bare hands. Sobrang liit lang niya. There are some, tawag niyan, maraming CPU na, pero ito talaga yung most used, yung Intel CPU on your computer. Next on the list is the fan of the computer. So what is the function of the fan of computer? A fan in computer is or any fan inside of the computer case used for active cooling. Fans are also used to draw the cooler air into the case from the outside. So this is the fan looks like in your computer set or in your PC. Next up is I think that's the end of my presentation. I didn't include everything, and I'm really sorry for the poor quality of my edit. That's all, sir. Thank you.